protected in there. You can do front.
No, you're in violation of policy and leaving your computer open. You're clearly not familiar with the plain view doctrine. I mean, you enforce work on it every day. It's not your car, it's my car.
Are you even halfway through yet, do you think?
Now they're over there conspiring. She doesn't understand is I can touch this car if I want. Touch, 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 touch. I'll play it like a piano on the hood if you need me to.